Once you've wound your awning out and you can reach the inside of the legs, you then want to come to one of the corners and bring the knuckle out, and then you can gently pull the leg out, bring it down, and then to release the rest of the leg you want to push black collar up and then pull the lever out so you can drop the leg down so it'll extend. And then to lock in place, you want to push this lever down, bring the cap down so it can't be pushed up or down. You want to do the same with the other leg. When you want to put the awning back in, you just push the cap up, lift the lever back up, and then you want to lift it all the way to the top and then clip the black lever in its little holding position. When putting your leg back into the awning, you want to make sure that you lift it up so in the corner there's an L shape, and then you can pop the leg back in. And then what you want to do is just push this flat, making sure it's flush with the outside of the awning, and then wind it back in.